They warned me that danger comes from strangers, but no one told me what to do when danger wears the face of someone you trust. That evening, only my brother Aaron and I were home. I looked up from my cooking and froze. Aaron wasn't watching TV. He was staring at me. There was something wrong in his gaze. Around noon, a knock at the door startled me. Daniel, Aaron's friend, stepped inside without asking. His smile was warm, but something in his eyes made my skin crawl. He started talking, old memories, compliments, then sentences with hidden meanings. I tried to change the topic, but he moved closer. My heartbeat raced, and when I tried to leave, he blocked my path. Just then, the door flew open. Aaron was standing there, anger blazing in his eyes. Daniel froze and backed away. For a moment, I felt relief, but fear still lingered. The next day, Daniel sent me a message. "Don't tell anyone about yesterday. It won't be good for you." My fingers froze on the phone. I couldn't shake the chill running through me. That night, I saw a shadow outside, but this time it wasn't alone. Another figure was beside it, both walking toward our house. My heart froze. Aaron grabbed a knife and ran outside. Footsteps echoed in the dark. Daniel stepped out, but the other shadow had vanished. He smirked and said, "I just wanted to see how far you'd go to protect your sister."